Disruption. The challenges and risks confronting Canada's banks and financial services companies as a result of rapidly accelerating change are a burning platform for business. Disruption represents a test that will demand radical and systematic innovation in the financial services industry especially. These firms must innovate, and they must do so at a pace faster than they've ever experienced before. Facing the risk by thinking in new ways, by being innovative. This will create profitable growth opportunities for years to come. Whether facing the opportunities created by new technologies or the severe shock of the financial crisis, Canada's banks and financial services companies have managed to remain prosperous by balancing prudence with well-timed innovation. So far, they've been our economy's one sure bet. So far. But the big bang of the global digital revolution is not slowing down. It's speeding up and spreading out. Having first changed how customers interact with companies, technology is now fundamentally shifting the way companies operate. The digital revolution is eliminating barriers to entry, altering cost structures, and making new value propositions possible and necessary. The real disruption, in other words, is just beginning. And Deloitte's conclusion is that the response to that disruption must be innovation, and the response must be swift. Let's peer into the future. In 2019, customers' financial services needs will be met by service offerings more efficient, more effective, and more convenient than today's. And the rub is that many of those services will be offered by organizations who today aren't even considered competitors. In less than half a decade, it's likely that routinely payments will flow from smartphone to smartphone without help from banks. Small businesses will accept operating finance from online retailers. Individuals who have never met will loan money to each other using the web. Deloitte's work reveals that banks and financial services firms are attempting to innovate more, but with fewer tangible innovations being the result. The structure of these companies is getting in the way. Their size and reliance on traditional business case models are threatening success. The source of the challenge can also be traced to a case of thinking too small. Innovation by its nature needs to be big. Today's innovation can no longer simply be about using new channels or offering new products. Innovation is about everything, the whole enterprise. Its vendors and partners, its people. The business model must be transformed by innovation. Institutions that understand and act on this truth will find ways to grow that go far beyond the incremental. Banks and financial services companies must innovate using the full range of approaches simultaneously, by experimenting with new profit models, by developing partnerships with outside firms, by inventing whole systems of integrated products, even rethinking the company's brand promise. Innovation must also become a sustainable practice, supported by necessary structures and processes. Canada's financial institutions must learn to embrace risk and tolerate failure, to make transformational innovation the very oxygen they breathe. By embracing the risks of becoming truly innovative, Canada's banks and financial services companies can fully differentiate themselves and uncover new opportunities for sustainable growth and strong competitive advantage. Get in touch. Let's take the innovation conversation further.